Hey everyone, a couple new cars this week. First up, this is the, I think, 3rd gen Raptor at this point. 3rd gen Raptor, non-opening resin by GT Spirit. I think this body style started in, for the Raptor, 21 or 22. You could get two different tire sizes, the stock 35 or, you can tell, the 37s. This has been the news recently because they now do a Raptor R, which has the GT500's supercharged V8 with 700 horsepower. But this gets the EcoBoost 3.5 liter V6. Either 450 or 510 horsepower, I forget, but the R is the hot one to get. Pretty good quality. GT Spirit made the last gen. No one makes the 1st gen that I know of. When they do, I'll buy it because I'm a bit of a completist in that way. Decent interior detail from what you can make out. Good wheels and tires. Pretty neat piece. Heavy. There's a slight manufacturer's flaw. If you could see, there's a slight ridge right there in the fender flare, like an indent. That is not in the other side, so that is a whoopsie. Retail on this about $149, $159. I got hooked up through a friend that brought to me in person, so I didn't have to pay shipping, for about $100. At that price, I'm not mad at it. Underneath, car number 1012 out of 1200. Decent detail. Even a simulated, actually a rubber spare tire, so pretty neat. A little extra compared to normal resin. Packaging, not very exciting. Your GT Spirit black box. A little bit of a preview now on one end. And next up, a BOS. Again, resin, non-opening, but I promise some diecast cars are coming soon. This is a Saab 99, an early one. Remember, I'm a Saab guy. Look at those cool headrests. This is car number, well, it's not numbered because I think this was a factory flawed one. They didn't bother numbering this particular one. Typically a run of like 500. This was on eBay. It said it was imperfect and showed a rub flaw that I could easily fix. And then it shows up and has like these imperfections in the paint. You can see it right there. I was kind of annoyed that the seller basically replied, well, he doesn't take a picture of each flaw. Well, I mean, all flaws are different, so basically the car he pictured wasn't the car I received, which that annoyed me. He gave me a bit of a further refund, so I think I paid about $85 shipped, which I'm at that price I'm ambivalent if I'm mad at it. I just think that's a dumb way to sell on eBay. If you take pictures of the real car. So that's my rant for today. So this would have been a non-turbo 4-cylinder, I think an 8-valve, something 2 liters or less, about 100 horsepower if you're lucky. I'm not as good on the old Saabs as I am the newer one. Here's your BOS box. It's one of the smaller ones at least. So that's it for this week. Gonna have some diecast coming up. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for 10,000 subscribers. I'm getting pretty close. So if you wind up being the 10,000th subscriber, let me know and I'll send you a free 1/18 scale diecast car. That's it for this week. Everyone like and subscribe and have a good one.